Hello, dear students. I am Professor Nitin Gaolia from Department of Management, Saga Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are going to discuss today is in continuation with the topic previously recorded on emotional intelligence. This is for the BTech sixth semester students of CSBS branch. So now let's get started. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the emotional intelligence building blocks. These are the key pillars on which the emotional intelligence rests. From the different approaches, emotional intelligence is said to consist of four building blocks. These are self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Talking about self-awareness, self-awareness is the characteristic of self-realization. It can also be referred to as intrapersonal intelligence. It is the individual's capacity to accurately recognize and understand one's own moods, emotions, and drives, as well as their impact on self and others. It also refers to self-realization and self-esteem. It has been seen that individuals who are unaware of their emotions often make irrational decisions, are unable to take charge of their emotions, and often have problems with dealing like emotions like anger and depression. This competency also includes self-assessment and self-confidence. Self-assessment comprises the ability to understand one's own strengths as well as limitations, explore them, and increase understanding about them. The understanding can be increased by introspection as well as by taking feedback from others. Here we see the self-awareness is the center point of introspection, emotional intelligence, honesty, values alignment, mindfulness, personal growth, behavior patterns, accountability, self-acceptance, and authenticity. Self-confidence is the ability to keep oneself grounded, secure, and self-assured under all circumstances. Self-confidence can be of three types: general, situational, and task-specific. General self-confidence refers to the overall feeling of positivity about self and one's abilities. Situational self-confidence varies upon the situation and or context. Task-specific confidence depends upon the person's idea about his/her skill to perform a specific task assigned to him or her. Self-management builds on self-awareness. It refers to the ability to handle and take charge of emotions and not allow emotions to take control. It is the ability to regulate and maintain equilibrium in the face of provocation. It also means being able to maintain commitment and optimism under all circumstances. A person with the skill of self-management is also able to stay motivated even in adversity and remain hopeful and enthusiastic about the final outcome. Second is the social awareness. This competency includes skills like being able to recognize emotions in others by understanding both verbal and non-verbal content of communication. This skill expands the understanding of emotions to others as well. This ability is important because only through understanding the reactions and feelings of others, good interpersonal relationships can be established. This skill also helps to understand power dynamics in work, situations, and relationships. Besides understanding and preempting situations of likely conflict, it can also be looked upon as the first step in adapting to the environment and successful social relationships. Third building block is the relationship management. Relationship management can also be conceptualized as interpersonal intelligence. The competencies that would be subsumed under this skill are the ability to coordinate between several people, recognize efforts of others, empathize, negotiate solutions to complex interpersonal issues, and form positive relationships with others. It also includes identification, analysis, and management of relationships with members of both in group and out group. It also incorporates the ability to communicate, persuade, and lead others through honest and ethical behavior and without alienating them. Here we see the summary of self awareness. It is emotional self awareness, taking hold of it, taking control of it, self management, which includes emotional balance, adaptability, achievement orientation, and positive outlook, social awareness, that includes empathy and organizational awareness, and finally, relationship management, which is influencing, coaching, mentoring, conflict management, teamwork, and inspirational leadership. This is all in today's lecture. Thanks for watching.